Hello everyone, my name is Makeup with Hardy Q, and thank you for watching my video. If you're new, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification so whenever I make a video, you'll get a notification for it. But if you're not new, welcome back. So today I have two Boxycharms to unbox. This one is mine for my regular account, and then this is the second one that I have made with the younger age. I believe it's 25. So that means this one is my regular age, which is 40. So 40, 25. We're going to see if there's a difference. Like, do they send young people different things than they send older people or women? I'm sorry. So we're about to find out. So let's dive right on in. All right, I will start on my box first. Let's see what we have today. Okay, this is what you see. Ooh, this is how it looks. Looks kind of skimpy. Okay. This is the little box, the little paper, I'm sorry. It says gift for glam. And it shows you everything, a little information about everything you got, how much it costs. So let's see. Okay, I have, well, let's start with my choice. I picked this for my choice, the Allergenist Triple Allergy Eye Renewal Balm. This is what I picked. Because I wasn't really feeling that palette, I think, that it had along with this. Like, it was not. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but there it goes right there. Okay. All right, can't wait to try that out. Now, as everyone knows, Boxycharm, they went up on their price to like $27.99 this month. So let's see what else we have. Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask. Okay. And looking at it, it looks like it's filled up to like right here. Yeah, like all of this is empty. It's like filled to right here. Okay, this says this non-foaming fragrance-free cleanser is infused with rich minerals to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtime. Okay, and this is a pretty big bottle. This is a 2.5 fluid ounce, so pretty good. And I actually have this stuff right here that I've been using by them. This is the eye serum, I'm sorry. And people say this really works, and I've been using it for like a while, so I can't really say. It seems like with skincare, to see a difference, you gotta use it for like a couple months to even see a difference. So haven't been using it that long, so I'll let you know. Okay, so that's my item number 2. Item number 3 is Sophia and Mabel Satin Powder Highlighter. Oh, sorry, can I talk? Woo! All right. There we go. Are you serious? It's broke. And it just like got all of my clothes. Oh God, it's made it worse. Crap. Dang it, I just made it worse. Okay, so it's broke. So, oh my God, and it's like spilling out like crazy. Can't believe that. Wow. I'm not even gonna put that back in there because it's making a mess everywhere. Like, look, it's all on here. Okay, next is the Blink Ultraviolet Tubing Mascara. Okay. Okay. I swear, if y'all watch my other video, I just did my unboxing for my ice cream beauty bag, and the eyeshadow palette in there was freaking broke. So it's like 2 videos in a row I done got products that is broke. So this is how she looks. Very pretty. There we go. All right. Okay, that's how the thing looks. Very pretty. Okay. But ice cream, I contacted them and they said that they will send me a replacement. They just asked me to send them a picture of the palette, and once they got the picture, they were like, "Oh yeah, we'll ship you another one." So I appreciate it. Will Boxycharm send me a replacement for this? I highly doubt it. And then they got like the worst customer service. Like, I don't even know if I want to go through the talking to the little bot thing to even ask for that, because it'd be so confusing to the bot thing don't understand nothing that you're saying. So it's like, oh, never mind. So the next thing I got is a Luna liner, water resistant liquid eyeliner. Okay, and this is what she looks like. I'm trying to help with the glare. There we go. I'm not going to open it up because I believe I have one open already. Somewhere over here. Is this it? Yeah. I mean, close. I don't know if it's the exact same thing or not, but it's close. Yeah, it might be the same. Yep, it is the same thing. But this is how it looks. Like a felt tip. Yeah. So I'm not going to open this one. I'll just use that one. Okay. And that is it. Besides the broken highlighter. And look, it done got on my pants. Look at this. You see it? It's like all on my pants. But that's okay. I ain't gonna sweat it. Okay, I'm gonna throw this box away. There's like all kind of crumbs in this box. So we got that broken highlighter. This. Hold on, did I leave something in there? Let me see. Highlighter. Oh, and the liner. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. What was the 5th thing? Okay. What was the 5th highlighter? Oh, the mascara. Where did I put the mascara? Did I lose the mascara that fast? I guess so. Or did it fall somewhere? I don't see it. How do you lose something like that fast? Eh, well, y'all remember the mascara. So, okay. So those are the 4 things I got, not 5. So let's open up the other one. Hopefully I have a better selection and stuff that's not broke. Okay. Where? I just cannot keep up with anything. Like, I can't find my little cutter. Crap. Okay, let me cut this box, okay? Oh, there we go. All right. Okay, this is what she looks like. Oh, okay. And we got the same little box. Okay, so same liner. Got some repeats. Same liner. So I got 2 of them now. Got the Araceli Beauty sponges. Got 2 of those. What else do we have? Oh, we have a Venus palette. Ditto Venus palette. Okay. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, that is cute. Okay. This is what she looks like. Very cute. I like that. Okay. I guess I could swatch a couple. We'll swatch Jupiter. Can't really say that word. Mars and Gamine. I don't know. So I'm gonna put this down. Okay. That's what they look like on my fingers. Okay. So this is Jupiter. And this is this one right here. And this is this one right here. And this one is Mars right here. So that's how they look. Let's do it like this. Yeah. You can barely see this one. Okay. I like it. It's cute. All right. So let's see the next thing I have. Okay. Have Growth Alchemist Age Repair Gel. Okay. This is what she looks like. Age Repair Gel. Okay. Okay. This is what she looks like. That's what the tube looks like. Okay. Okay. Backwards. Okay. This lightweight gel mask combats signs of aging and increase skin elasticity while hydrating, firming, and nurturing facial skin. Formulated with gentle cooling actives, this mask is perfect for sensitive facial skin. Okay. Pretty sure there's probably a thingy on it. Oh no, it's not. I thought it was like a little protector, but did I just touch my nose? Lord have mercy. Clumsy. Okay. All right. So that is that. Oh. Got another one of these. All right. Don't even need to open that. And one more thing. Hold on. How many things is that? That was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So next is the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. Okay. This is a 1 fluid ounce container. Don't know if it's a container or a tube, whatever. Oh, and it's glass. Okay, that is cute. Okay. Oh, okay. I like that it's this clear. You can just see it all. I love it. Okay. Well, I am definitely satisfied with this box because for one, nothing was broke. So the palette still looks intact. Nothing is broke on the palette. Very glad of that. So that we have that. We have this. 1, 2, 3. We have this. The Age Repair Gel. Then another one of these. Then another one of these. And then was that it? Oh, you know what? I was looking for this for the other box. This is the freaking mascara that came in the other box. And, oh, and these. Wait, that's 6 things. I got 6 things in this bag. I mean, this box. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, that's 6 items. Okay, I guess they wanted to be generous and give this one 6 items. I don't know. Not that I'm complaining, but that's pretty cool. So the first box, I will rate it a D because it got that broken blush and highlighter, and it got all over my clothes. Yeah, so that'll be a D. And I would rate this one a B because, not an A, because I wish it was a little bit more makeup. It was like, it was three skin serums. Like, I was literally 3. I have this, and this. Like, that's a lot of skincare, you know, versus just this and that right there. So, but, you know, what else, you know. I see a lot of people be like complaining about it and stuff. Like, when you think about it, you pay like 27 bucks for this. You would not get all this for 27 bucks anywhere. Like, I didn't even do the prices, which I should have did. Like, let me look at them real quick. Okay, like for instance, the triple allergy. Okay, this right here by itself is 68 bucks. So that pays for the box like twice right there. 68 bucks. And then hyaluronic acid was 45. That's 45 bucks. Then these right here are 24. The liner is 18. And this is $29.99. So you got way more than $30 worth of stuff. But it didn't have this on there. This right here, this is not on this card right here. So that's very weird. Did I get this for free or something, or what? I wonder. Because it's not showing up on this card. I don't know. Maybe they just threw me a bonus. I don't know. But, so, it is what it is. So, I hope everyone have a great evening, great week. It's the holidays. Christmas is coming up right around the corner. And thank you for watching my video. Hope everyone have a great night. Until next time, kisses from Florida. Bye.